Replacing a cup holder in a 2007 9.3 convertible. Let's do it. So, just so you can see how it's supposed to work. Well, just kidding. All right, here we go. Yep. Okay, so that is a, let me find some trash. There's plenty of that in here. Very good, very good. Okay, so that is what your cup holder is supposed to do, kind of. And this one I've replaced. You little jerk. Okay, so anyway, there, I have a working cup holder now. Hey, there it goes. But it's so easy to replace. Here's my one that was broken. As you see, it won't open. What happens is there's a pin, a clip right here, and it breaks really easy. And when that breaks, it won't pop anymore for you. So what you got to do, and it helps if you put your car in neutral, but this stuff just pops out. That's it. It just pops. All of it. Every single bit of it. That pops out. This pops out. And that pops out. And then you can just change it. It's that easy. Like, I'm not going to take my car apart again to show you, because it's a lot easier to take apart than to put back together.